Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency is and how it's going to revolutionize the world? If you have, then you're not alone. The advent of cryptocurrency has undeniably sparked a global curiosity. But what exactly is this digital phenomenon? Just as the name suggests, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency. It's not something you can hold in your hand, but it's real and it's changing the way we think about money. What makes it unique is its security feature. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography, a method of protecting information through the use of codes to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. One of the defining features of a cryptocurrency is that it operates independently of a central bank. This decentralization is a key aspect of its design. Instead of being governed by a single entity, cryptocurrencies are regulated by a network of computers spread across the globe. Now, you may have heard of Bitcoin. It's the poster child of the crypto world and the first cryptocurrency that came into existence. Bitcoin introduced us to the concept of blockchain, a term you'll often hear in the crypto universe. A blockchain is a type of distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. It's designed to be secure, transparent, and resistant to modification. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, the information it contains is permanent and cannot be altered. This ensures the integrity and security of all transactions. But the crypto universe doesn't end with Bitcoin. There's a whole galaxy of other cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and uses. These are known as altcoins, and we'll delve deeper into that in the next scene. In essence, cryptocurrency is a new age digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange, shaping the future of financial transactions. It's a brave new world out there, and we're just starting to explore the limitless possibilities it offers. But Bitcoin isn't the only player in the game. Have you heard about altcoins? Now, altcoins are essentially alternative cryptocurrencies launched after the immense success of Bitcoin. They often present themselves as better substitutes to Bitcoin. The term altcoin is a blend of two words, alternative and Bitcoin, and includes all alternatives to Bitcoin. While there are thousands of altcoins, a few have risen to prominence. Ethereum, for instance, has garnered attention due to its unique smart contract feature. Litecoin, another popular altcoin, is often likened to being the silver to Bitcoin's gold, due to its faster transaction speed. But one that particularly stands out is Ripple's XRP. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that cater to individual users, XRP is aimed at financial institutions and payment providers with the goal of making international transactions more efficient. Among these altcoins, Ripple's XRP stands out for its unique applications, especially in the banking sector. Imagine a world where cross-border payments are as simple as sending a text message. That's the vision Ripple's XRP brings to life. Now, let's step back for a moment and ask, what exactly is Ripple's XRP? You might have heard of it as a cryptocurrency, much like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it's so much more. XRP is the digital asset that powers the Ripple network, a technology designed to enable swift, low-cost international transactions. In the traditional banking sphere, international transactions are notorious for their slow speed and high costs. This is where Ripple's XRP comes in. It aims to revolutionize the banking world by making these transactions faster, more efficient, and remarkably cheaper. Imagine sending money to a friend halfway across the globe and they receive it in just a few seconds with minimal fees. That's the kind of change we're talking about. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Ripple's XRP isn't just working in a vacuum. It's in active collaboration with banks and financial institutions worldwide. The goal? To implement its transformative technology into the existing banking systems. In fact, Ripple has already secured partnerships with over 200 banks worldwide, including giants like Standard Chartered and American Express. These institutions are not only recognizing the potential of Ripple's technology, but are also integrating it into their operations. And it's not just about faster, cheaper transactions. Ripple's XRP can also serve as a bridge currency in international trade, helping to eliminate the need for pre-funded accounts in cross-border transactions. It's a whole new level of financial fluidity and efficiency. However, it's important to remember that the journey is still ongoing. As with any innovation, there are challenges to overcome and regulatory hurdles to clear. But the potential of Ripple's XRP is undeniable, and the change it promises is transformative. Ripple's XRP is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a technology that's poised to transform how banks operate globally. And as we look to the future, this transformation could well be the next big evolution in banking. But how does this all tie into FedNow and central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs? Let's take a step back and unravel these concepts. FedNow is a revolutionary instant payment service currently under development by the Federal Reserve Banks. The aim is to modernize the United States payment system and achieve round-the-clock real-time payment capabilities. This means that, in the near future, you could send or receive money at any time of the day or night, and it would be available within seconds. Now, let's tackle CBDCs. A central bank digital currency is essentially a digital form of a country's fiat money. It's designed and regulated by the country's central bank and holds the same value as traditional money. So think of it as a digital pound, dollar, or euro. But here's where it gets interesting. CBDCs are different from cryptocurrencies. While both are digital, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority. On the flip side, CBDCs are centralized, governed by the central bank of the country they belong to. The key advantage of CBDCs over traditional banking is their potential to make transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. They can also reach populations that are currently unbanked, providing a broader financial inclusion. So what does this mean for the future of banking? Quite simply, it's a paradigm shift. The adoption of CBDCs and instant payment services like FedNow signals a move towards a more digital, instantaneous, and global financial system. In this new era, banking is no longer confined to brick-and-mortar institutions operating in set hours. Instead, it becomes a seamless part of our digital lives, enabling us to manage our finances in real time wherever we are in the world. The implications are profound, affecting everything from the way we do business to the way we manage our personal finances. It's a change that's both exciting and daunting, as all great changes are. With FedNow and CBDCs, we're stepping into a new era of banking, one that's digital, instant, and global. So where does Ripple's XRP fit in this new banking landscape? Ripple's XRP isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a fundamental cog in the wheel of the future of banking. As we move towards a world where digital transactions are the norm, XRP could potentially bridge the gap between the traditional banking system and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. Imagine a world where transferring money across borders is as easy as sending a text message. That's the promise of XRP. It's designed to facilitate faster, more efficient global transactions. And this is where the FedNow service comes into play. FedNow is an instant payment service proposed by the Federal Reserve. It aims to provide around-the-clock real-time payments every day of the year. Ripple's XRP could potentially integrate with FedNow to accelerate these transactions even further, but it's not just about speed, it's also about inclusivity. By integrating with FedNow, XRP could provide access to instant payments for banks of all sizes, including smaller institutions that have traditionally been left out of the real-time payments revolution. Then there are central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. These digital forms of fiat money represent a significant shift in the monetary system. CBDCs have the potential to make financial systems more efficient, secure, and inclusive, and XRP could play a pivotal role in this evolution. Imagine a seamless integration of CBDCs, XRP, and FedNow. This trio could potentially revolutionize the way we conduct financial transactions, making them faster, more efficient, and more inclusive than ever before. Of course, this integration is not without challenges. Regulatory hurdles, technological complexities, and adoption issues are just a few of the obstacles that need to be overcome. But the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. As we stand on the brink of a financial revolution, Ripple's XRP, FedNow, and CBDCs may just be the key players that redefine what banking means to us. In a world where technology is reshaping every aspect of our lives, the intersection of these three could well be the crossroads where the future of banking is decided. The world is changing faster than ever, and the way we handle money is no exception. Cryptocurrency, once a foreign concept, is now poised to revolutionize our financial systems. Amongst these digital currencies, Ripple's XRP stands out with its immense potential to reshape banking as we know it. Imagine a world where transactions are instant, secure, and borderless. That's the promise of XRP. Integrating with systems like FedNow and central bank digital currencies, XRP could transform banking into a seamless, efficient and global process. But remember, this isn't a distant dream. The future is unfolding right before our eyes. It's a thrilling time to be alive, to witness and partake in this financial revolution, so keep learning, keep adapting and stay ahead of the curve. Cryptocurrency is not just a trend, it's the future. And in this future, Ripple's XRP, FedNow and CBDCs could be the game changers we've been waiting for.